Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Philips Hue bridges with HomeKit compatibility, full guide step by step clearly. To configure your Philips Hue bridge for HomeKit compatibility, start by ensuring you have the latest. Open the Philips Hue app and sign in to your Hue account, or create a new account if you haven't done so. Connect your Philips Hue bridge to your Wi-Fi network using the Ethernet cable provided. Once connected, power on your Philips Hue bridge by plugging it into an electrical outlet. Wait for the lights on the bridge to stabilize, indicating it's ready for setup. Next, access the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Choose Add Accessory from the menu. The app will prompt you to scan a HomeKit setup code. Locate the HomeKit code on the bottom or back of your Philips Hue bridge. Use your camera to scan the code, or enter it manually if preferred. Once the code is recognized, the app will ask you to assign the bridge to a room. Select a room or create a new one to help organize your smart home. After configuring the room settings, click Next to continue. The Home app will then set up the bridge and add it to your HomeKit setup. Once the setup is complete, you will see the Philips Hue bridge listed in the Home app. You can now control your Philips Hue lights through HomeKit, either from the Home app or via Siri voice commands. To ensure smooth operation, conduct a quick test by using voice commands or adjusting light settings within the app. If needed, revisit the Philips Hue app to group lights and customize settings for your lights. With this setup, you can now enjoy seamless integration of Philips Hue with your HomeKit ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.